Hi, I'm Matt with Mr. Handyman, a third generation Mason. We have some steps here on an older home, approximately 25 years old. And we've got some moisture that's gotten in our steps, making them fall apart. This whole front step is loose, which is common from the age of the house. And like I said, shifting your sprinkler systems, hitting your steps, it really causes havoc on these steps. They get moisture in them, they get freeze and thaw, and that's where you get your steps falling apart. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this top portion of the step. I'm going to clean these brick up because we have no more of them. I will clean them up, mortar them back together.
Yeah, so I ran into Mr. Handyman at the home show last weekend and needed some mason work done on my house. Been trying to find somebody to come out. They came out quickly, got it done. Looks great, and the price was right, so I'm really happy.